CompTIA A+, Core 1, 220-1201, Practice Exam. Questions 111 through 115. This video is part of our Practice Exam video series and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So, are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 111. A user reports that their voice over IP calls sound choppy and occasionally cut out, especially when other devices on the network are streaming video. The technician wants to prioritize voice traffic so calls remain clear even during heavy network usage. Which of the following should the technician configure? The answer is C. QoS. Quality of Service, or QoS, allows network administrators to prioritize specific types of network traffic, such as voice over IP, to reduce latency, jitter, and packet loss. By assigning higher priority to voice packets, the network ensures that call data moves ahead of lower priority traffic like video streaming or large downloads. This prioritization helps maintain clear, uninterrupted communication, even when the network is heavily used. Question 112. A technician is configuring DNS settings for a new web server that uses an IPv4 address. Which type of DNS record should the technician create to map the domain name to this address? The answer is C. An A record. An A record maps a domain name to an IPv4 address, allowing clients to reach the server using its hostname. It is the standard DNS record type used for IPv4-based resources on a network or the internet. Without an A record, the domain would not resolve properly for IPv4 traffic. Question 113. A technician is preparing a new workstation for deployment and must ensure it can communicate with other devices on the local network as well as reach external websites. Which of the following network settings must the technician configure? The answer is D. IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. A workstation needs an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway to communicate on the local network and reach external networks like the internet. The IP address identifies the device, the subnet mask defines the local network range, and the default gateway provides a path to destinations outside the local subnet. Without all three values, network connectivity will be limited or unavailable. Question 114. A company moves its internal applications to a cloud provider. The technician explains that multiple customers share the same computing resources, but each customer's data and applications remain isolated from others. Which of the following cloud characteristics is being described? The answer is A. Multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy is a cloud characteristic where multiple customers share the same physical infrastructure while their data and applications remain securely separated. It increases efficiency by allowing the cloud provider to maximize resource usage across clients. This model is common in public cloud environments and helps reduce costs while maintaining isolation. Question 115. A remote employee needs to securely access company resources from home. The technician implements a solution that creates an encrypted communication tunnel and requires user credentials for authentication before access is granted. Which of the following technologies is the technician using? The answer is B. VPN. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between remote devices and the corporate network, ensuring secure communication over the internet. It requires authentication credentials to verify user identity before granting access. This allows remote users to work as if they were connected locally while keeping data protected. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you're always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.